Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to verify your Facebook profile with Blue Badge. To get a Blue Badge on your Facebook, you should first be verified. For that, open your Facebook application and hit on the menu button and then go through the help and support from the top and then hit on the help center. From here, on the searching bar, search for verification. Now, from here, choose the appropriate option. There you will see an option of getting a request or verified badge on Facebook. Hit on that. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, then there you will see an option to fill out the form. Simply find that and hit on the option. Now, from here, fill out all of the form and hit on the submit. Once you hit on the submit, Facebook team will help you out to verify your Facebook profile with Blue Badge. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.